Wait, hold on. It's 2023 and you're still spending thousands of dollars on your signboard maintenance? What's up? This is Tony from LCSIGN. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save at least $600 on your signboard maintenance. That's right. Can you imagine? You're welcome. To save money on your signboard maintenance, a detachable sign would be your great choice. For example, this one. Oh, we're installing the sign right now. Let's take a closer look. This is a frameless letter. It's got two ways of installation. Of course, you can also choose other ways for the installation. For example, for hollow walls, there are a variety choices of screws for the installation. The first way is solid wall installation. As you can see, we just finished the drill of the holes. All of our products come with this kind of installation paper for you to install rapidly and accurately. Step 2 is install the base on the wall with screw. So after you drill these holes on the wall, remember to remove the installation paper first, and then you can install the base. Now the base has complete installation. Step 3 is the wiring. Light it up. Now I'm gonna do this. Don't worry, the entire LED module comes with a IP68 waterproof, so it's perfectly suitable for outdoor using. See? No problem at all. Also, remember when you're installing the wire, make sure the wire goes behind the wall. For reference, we're gonna leave it outside this time. So finally, is to install the lid. As you can see, this is completely removable with screw, so it's perfectly suitable for your maintenance afterwards. You see? So just a couple of screws, I believe you can do that. But if you choose something like this one that is not detachable, it will be so hard for you to repair. For example, you gotta break through this. So why not in the first place to choose something like this one that is detachable for you to easily repair? To be your sign, this could really lower your maintenance cost. What's more, our products all come with CE, UL certificates with more than 3 years of warranty. And our production time is within 5 days. And the transportation is within 10 days. So if you find this video useful, click like, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in our description so that you can get all the information you want and to customize your very own detachable sign. And if you're talking to one of our sales representatives, you may now resume your conversation. Okay, so see you next time.